Hello everyone, welcome back to QSlick's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted eSIM geo. To recover deleted geo eSIM, the first step you can do is contact Geo support. The quickest way is to reach out to Geo customer service. You can either call their helpline number or you use the live chat feature in My Geo app. The second thing you can do is request for eSIM reconfiguration. Once you contact support, they will send you a new QR code to set up the eSIM again. This is usually sent via email. The third step is rescan the QR code. Go to their phone settings and rescan the new QR code to reactivate the eSIM profile. Then you have to verify your identity. In some cases, Geo may ask for identity verification during this process. Be ready with the necessary documents like your ID proof. Then, once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts on your phone to finish the activation process. If you face any issue, visiting a nearby Geo store for in-person assistance can also help speed up the recovery process. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.